This is my garden bed this year. Built from, I think these are 2x6s that we burnt like Shou Sugi Ban style. It's supposed to preserve the wood. And things are looking pretty good. I just mulched really heavily, so it looks kind of odd, but soon that grass will turn brown. And yeah, I just want to grow organically and feed the soil. Here we've got a row of like green onions. I've got one whole onion bulb head that I put in here. I was hoping to get seeds out of it. I'm not sure if it's going to be a long day or short day onion, but I guess we'll find out. I've got some garlic. You can see some carrots coming up here. I planted herbs along the edge, so I've got some parsley growing along the edge on this side. A few random flowers here and there. And some Chinese cabbage because we love kimchi. Got some sage, some romaine, and a random broccoli or cauliflower. I'm not sure, I didn't label it, so. And we've got some mint growing over there. And then I had some potatoes, I think one was Yukon Gold and the other was a russet. And I think I did the russets on this side in the middle here, and then I think I did the Yukon Golds in this row, but only 3 came up so far. And I've got cilantro growing along the edge, and I've got dill growing over here. And it's been a hot, dry summer, so the mulch should help keep the moisture in the soil. But overall, pretty happy. And this soil was just soil that we sifted from our yard because we had a big pile of dirt here, and we're working on building a greenhouse. There's no not following any plan or anything. We're just kind of winging it. My main concern is having it blow away in the wind or get crumpled in the snow. So yeah, just a little garden update.